What up, YouTube? This is your president, the presidential tourist, back with another video. I'm in Davenport, Florida, at Webb's Candy Factory, a well-known local candy factory and candy shop. They make a lot of their own candy in there, and they've been around for decades and decades. So they have a lot of experience, and they're famous in this area. So you know what? I'm going to get in and try some things, and show you a little tour of their shop. I've been here before, but it's been like years and years and years, so it's been a long time. So it's almost basically like totally being there the first time. It's been so long. So let's head in there and check it out. Yeah, look at that cool sign right behind me. You gotta go in there, right there. Okay, let's get to it. I'm gonna show the front a little bit more. Of course, they're also attached to a Dunkin' Donuts, so you can go from one side to the other. They've been around since 1932, as you can tell easily by the sign. Definitely famous for goat milk fudge, which I definitely will be picking up some today. All right, you know what that means. Time to head on in there. That's a really big alligator head, guys. He's $2.50.
Looks awful corner.
I bet you that's pretty tasty. Oh, look, a milk chocolate butter.
You got something?
Oh, here you go. Maybe I'll get one of these. Get M.
Yeah. Yeah. Here's one.
M will be on the bottom.
On the bottom.
That's cool. You actually see where they make a lot of the candy right over there and back. It's been years since I've been here. Over there, they're connected to a Dunkin' Donuts, so you can go over there and get some donuts if you want. These are cool. These tasty jelly candies. I might have to get one of them before I go. Some cinnamon pecans, crystallized ginger, lots of chocolatey stuff. And I bet they have sugar-free candy. That's something I could definitely use. Oh, peppermint bark, it's green. You don't see green chocolate very often. That's awesome. I've seen these chocolate alligators before. I always thought they were kind of cool. Ah, peanut brittle, guys. It looks scrumptious. They also have their own kind of chocolate bar. They said they make a lot of their candy here. I don't know if they make every single candy that they sell, but they're a well-known chocolate shop and Webb's Candy Factory says outside, so also for making their own candy too. They've been around here forever. Oh, fudge. Goat's milk fudge. Oh, actually, yeah, it's different flavors. It's all goat's milk. Looks like this one here. Chocolate, vanilla, chocolate peanut butter, vanilla peanut butter, chocolate walnut. Ooh, vanilla pecan, chocolate pecan, maple walnut, Rocky Road, double chocolate, chocolate salted caramel, vanilla. So, if you have an allergy to regular milk, you should be able to eat this, I think. Don't quote me on that. Gotta make sure of that. But that's the way it looks. Little chocolate bunnies.
Different flavors. Like
Yeah, I've seen that.
white. I don't know what this is.
And they have stuff behind the counter. Different kind of chocolate stuff. It's like different kinds of ice cream. Cool. That's a really big pot. I'll get a couple things here. I'm not going to get too much. Hey, I was thinking of getting one of those for Felix. I'm thinking about getting one of those for Felix because they're made from goat's milk. He should be able to eat that. The fudge. I might buy him one before we go. I have a friend who's can't eat anything from a cow, whether it's the milk or the meat. So I may buy him one of those. I think he'll like that. Different kinds of liquor and honey. Okay, they have a full taxidermy alligator up here. There's lots more alligator heads. The back scratchers. Hope I'm not going through this too fast. You don't see a whole one taxidermy that often, mainly the head. They have a lot of different like souvenirs and stuff. Different kinds of wine and stuff, which I am not an expert on. So they sell some kinds of honey too. More cases for different things you could buy. Well, in a place you want to eat something like ice cream, you could go there and sit down. They have a place for you to sit too. Cool. Okay, I'm going to get something, and I'll show you outside with what I'm going to get. Like I said, I've been here before, but only once or twice, and it's been years. So it's been a really long time. But it looks how I remember. Okay. Oh, look at that. Bolt action rifle barbecue lighter. That's cool. And one shaped like a fishing pole. That's awesome. Hopefully I didn't rush through this too fast. Like I said, they have it where you can go over there and watch them make the chocolate too, which I may go over there in a little bit and check it out. I don't know. Not a very big opening though. I forgot to mention, I read this online that they use some of the old antique equipment to make some of this stuff too. I'm not 100% sure this is if they use just goat milk in here because the ingredients, the one I was looking at, like here, it says goat milk and then milk. So I don't know if they use regular milk or not. I was going to get this for a friend of mine, and I'm not 100% sure. I have to find out because he can't eat anything from a cow, milk or beef or nothing, or it gets him sick. So let's see. Oh, if you're in the area, I kind of already ripped it, but if you pick up one of these books, they do have some coupons for Webb's. Current ones is the goat milk fudge, buy one, get one free. And ice cream, buy one, get one free. Hey, they have 32 flavors. And there's the address, phone number. Look Yeah, chocolate dip orange peel. That is interesting. A lot of goody stuff here, guys. Definitely want some good stuff. Let's see. And there's lots of sugar-free ones. Hmm. Okay, we ended up getting ice cream. I got banana. I thought that's odd. I never had a banana ice cream. And then for mom, I got half and half. Pralines and cream. And then maple walnut, because you like some wood nuts in it. So we're going to try these out and let you know what it tastes like. All right, I'm not sure which one was on top.
I don't care.
Okay, I'm going to try the banana first, guys.
Oh.
Ooh, that reminds me of a banana like creamsicle. I'm so glad I got that banana one. That's delicious.
Good ice cream. Try it.
Okay, I'm gonna try. Hold that.
Try it. It's good.
Nice and thick.
Well, we put it in the freezer, have it a little later.
I think that's the maple walnut.
Mm-hmm.
That's fantastic too. I think I like the banana one a better.
Let me try this. Hold it.
Mm-hmm. Fantastic, guys. I'm so glad I got this. That is tasty.
Like a banana popsicle.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Okay. Got a couple things. I wanted to review this one. This is a piece of orange peel that's dipped in chocolate. So I had to try that on camera. I've never tried one of these before. Yeah, isn't that cool? Piece of orange peel in there. Yeah. Oh, God. This is delicious. You taste that orange peel in there? The little bit, you know how the peel is a bit bitter, but it goes so well with that sweet chocolate. Really good quality. That's fantastic. Wow. It was $1.75 for these two pieces. You get as much as you want. It depends on the weight and everything, how much it's going to cost. That's odd, but really tasty. Alright, this could be the end of the video. If you're ever in Davenport, you should stop here. We have a lot of cool candy, chocolate. A lot of it's made in-house. Webb's has been around for decades. It's a really well-known landmark here in this area. And they're famous for their chocolate. And they have a lot of cool stuff. And I definitely recommend stopping here. It's, yeah. If you're in for some nice sugary treats and they have some good sugar-free options, this is the place to come. If you ever come through the area, there's more to Central Florida than just Disney World and Universal Studios. There's a lot of cool places like this. Yeah, I do recommend you stopping here. Any comments, questions, please let me know. And if you haven't stopped here and just seen this video, make sure you let them know that the Presidential Tourist sent you. All right. All in all, I'm happy I stopped here again. It's been a long time, and the treats I tried were pretty darn good. All right, thanks for watching. Bye, everybody. Bye. Oh, I should mention, we did get a little bit of the fudge, and this is maple walnut. This is a fantastic. So fudgy and creamy, but so sweet. You definitely got to pace yourself when you eat this. There's a lot of sugar, but that is wow. Webb's Candy makes some really tasty fudge. The other one we got was vanilla pecan. Now these aren't all the same price. These are like this was $8.98. The other one was something else. But the only reason why I got two of them is because they had that coupon for buy one get one free. So make sure you get that coupon. It's so much more cheaper than if you were to buy it by themselves like this. All right, that's it. Just wanted to mention that. Fudge is fantastic.